Today we're taking a look at the SafeLogic Basic. This is actually a SafeLogic backlit, but it would apply to a basic as well as to a toplit. And what we're going to do is take a look at how we reset the codes back to factory default. So in this particular application, we have a lock and an entry pad that's been connected, and we have the codes have been changed from their default to a unique code. So in this case, our user code is now 654321, and the lock opens. All right, so what we want to do in this video is show you how to reset these back to factory default. And it's done with a very simple method called a mechanical reset, and we'll show you how to do that. So first of all, you need a couple of tools. You'll need a paper clip, and in the paper clip, just open it up so that you can use it as a poking tool. And now what we do is we disconnect this lock from the keypad by disconnecting that lock cable. Now what happens is underneath this small white sticker, you will see you'll find a reset hole. So you can either remove that sticker, in this case we've just poked through it. You'll know this is the reset hole because above the small white sticker is embossed the word reset in the back of the case. So that's the reset hole. So here's what we do to set this back to factory default. We first of all, move this a little closer, you can see it. You take the paper clip and you press down into that reset button. You'll feel the button go up and down. Press it down just 3 times. And all that's doing is removing any latent power that may be stored in the capacitors inside the lock. So now, what you do is you take the paper clip, you press down on the reset hole, you continue to hold while you connect the lock cable to the lock, if I can find it there, and now you continue to hold. Continue to hold until you hear that beeping. Now you can release. What that's done is reset this lock back to factory default. So now, instead of entering the code 654321, we'll see that's an incorrect code. The correct code is now the default code of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the lock opens. Now, in doing this process, we've also reset the supercode to whatever it was to 111111. The default code is 6 ones, and it also opens the lock. So in doing this process, we've reset the codes back to factory default from whatever they happen to be back to factory default. Supercode of 111111 and user code of 123456. That's how to reset a SafeLogic series back to factory default.